People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for tuning in as usual. Bless up and big up in yourself. So news coming out of Jamaica, where it's saying the St. Thomas police are probing what is suspected to be a murder-suicide in the parish on Good Friday, which is today. Dead is 47-year-old Lorraine Hutchinson. Also deceased is Hutchinson's ex-boyfriend, who is suspected to have killed her before taking his own life. Preliminary reports from the police are that about 9:30 this morning, Hutchinson was on her way to deliver food to her child's father, who was working on a farm in the area. Upon reaching the farm, the suspect, with whom Hutchinson had ended a relationship some time ago, reportedly appeared and embraced her before using a knife to stab her all over her body. The woman collapsed and died on the spot. Shortly after, angry residents set fire to the house of a man they accused of murdering her. The police say a search for the ex-boyfriend ended a short while after his body was found hanging from a tree in the area. They say he is suspected to have committed suicide. People, yo, I don't know what to these man is like the same thing playing over and over again. Like, why when the woman left you? Why when the woman leave this side if you move on? You know, have to kill them. Like, what is it? Like, yo, brother, you know, can't find other woman out there, and if you don't choose to go kill yourself and leave the woman. Nothing justify what do to these women. Killing these poor women. Like, some demon settings gone. Because I'm telling you people, I don't know how they do these things. And it's continuously happening over and over again. Women break off relationship, decide to move on. Man or ex-boyfriend end up killing them. Like, come on, man. And then kill for themselves. Like, some big coward them, man. It's just a sad situation, people. Very, very sad. And I want to say condolence goes out to this young woman, like, Jano, man. It's just very, very sad that it has come to this. Like, a woman can't break off a relationship and move on. She have to end up lose her life in the process, which makes absolutely no sense. Straight hell, them people that are going on one-way ticket straight to hell, may I tell you. Jano, very, very sad situation, people. But once I get more update on this, I will let you guys know as usual, all right? Much love and appreciation. Bless up in yourself. Just a very, very sad situation, man.